welcome back to my channel. This is Ara, and thank you so much for tuning in today to do a little bit of self-care with me. If you are new here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you do not miss out on new videos. So we are going to get right into it today. I'm super excited because I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a goddess bath. To me, bubble baths, goddess baths, they're literally like the highest form of relaxation. Like, I really love taking bubble baths. I really just enjoy that as my alone time. I can spend like an hour and a half in the bathtub, just chilling, vibing out, listening to music. I'm really excited to be showing you guys and sharing with you all of the products that I will be using that will seriously make your skin super soft. Everything smells amazing, so it's like aromatherapy. It's literally going to be a spa quality like bath from the comfort of your own home. So one of the first products that I'm going to be using, and you guys have probably seen if you watched one of my other videos, it is the Vitabath lavender and chamomile scent bubble bath. And like I said before, I really love this bubble bath. It smells so good. It makes like the most luxurious and huge bubbles in your bath. So this is definitely one of my favorite and go-to products. And another reason why I really love this bubble bath is because it's super nourishing to your skin. It has a lot of vitamins in it: vitamin A, vitamin B3, vitamin C, and vitamin E. And it also has antioxidants in it. Like, this bubble bath is, like I said, super nourishing, super great for your skin, and smells amazing. So definitely a good thing to pick up if you have not already. This next thing that I got, I'm super excited about using because it is the Herbivore coconut milk bath. And this smells like a straight up coconut. Like, if you were to crack a coconut open, this is what a coconut smells like. As well as when I was looking up like the best milk baths to use in your bubble bath or in your goddess bath, this was one that came up as a recommended one. So definitely excited to try this out and see how soft it's going to have my skin. It has vitamin C in it to help with youthfulness and elasticity of your skin, as well as having coconut milk in it to rehydrate your skin and soften so that you are silky smooth. So like I said, super excited to try this out. This is the Everspring lavender essential oil. I got this from Target. It smells really good, and of course it's used for like a calming effect and promotes relaxation. And lavender is also believed to help treat anxiety, so that is definitely a plus. Something else that if you have watched my other videos, you have already seen this, but if you have not, is the Village Naturals Therapy Concentrated Mineral Bath Soap, and it is eucalyptus and spearmint scent. It has epsom salt in it as well. It smells really great. It's perfect for aromatherapy. It helps to revitalize and restore your body, as well as to help get a little bit of like any muscle aches or pains in your body while you soak. So this is definitely a wonderful product. As you can see, I've used a lot of it. So this is the Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Mineral Soak, and it has epsom salt and pink Himalayan salt in it. It's used to restore and replenish your body. It also has essential oils in it, so it smells delish. I think everything I have smells pretty good, so I'm going to say that literally about everything. So it has pure Epsom salt in it to help relieve any muscle aches or soreness or pain, as well as pink Himalayan salt, and that is to replenish and recharge your body. And to help rejuvenate the body, it has bergamot and sweet orange, and that also helps to provide a little bit of the fragrance as well. Another thing that I have is a grapefruit. You're probably like, why does she have a grapefruit? Just a grapefruit. But literally, I have this grapefruit because I'm going to cut it up and put it into my bath. Having grapefruit in your bath can help to combat any free radicals that your skin may be exposed to because it is a natural antioxidant. Free radicals can be harmful to your body because they can trigger a number of human diseases, as well as cause oxidative stress. So it's important to use antioxidants to help combat those free radicals. So that is why I have a grapefruit. So I have these beautiful roses. I just really like the color of them, so that's why they're like lavender pink color. I'm going to be using the rose petals, so that's why they're a little bit more wrinkled, because I went to the flower market and I asked them to give me the older roses so that I didn't have to use like brand new, beautiful, barely blooming roses, because I was just going to use the petals. So not only do rose petals give off a naturally calming scent, they also help to brighten your skin complexion. They help to tighten your pores for a smoother appearance and soothe irritated skin. And these little tea light candles, they're cerulean, surf, and sea scent. All right, and the last thing that you will need to pick up if you don't already have one is a hair catcher for your drain. All of like the rose petals, anything that can get caught from when I'm doing, after I do my bath, after I let the water out, I'm just going to put the hair catcher in there so that it can catch all of that and I don't have to pick out rose petals one by one. So those are all of the products that I'm going to be using for my goddess bath. And of course, I'll make sure to drop that down into the description box so that you guys can get the same products as me. So make sure you guys stay tuned. So I first started by filling up my bathtub with warm water, not too hot, not too cold, but it's totally up to you what temperature you like. And then I added the Vitabath lavender and chamomile bubble bath. And you'll see me do this throughout the video. I just kind of like push the water up so that it will go throughout the entire tub, so that all my bubbles aren't concentrated just at the front. They're all throughout my bath. Next, with the water still running, I added the Everspring lavender essential oils. I just added a few drops. Next, I added the Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Mineral Soak. I put that into like a separate little container so that I could control how much I was putting into my bath, but make sure you add a generous amount into there. Following that up, I added the Village Naturals Therapy Mineral Bath Soap, and I pretty much just did the same thing, put it into a smaller container so I can control how much I'm putting into my bath, but I did add a generous amount of that as well. And to follow those two up, I added the Herbivore Coconut Milk Bath Soak and just did the same thing with that, put it into a smaller container, and then added it all throughout my bath. So after adding all of those bath soaks in, I turned off my water and then added my rose petals and just spread them throughout my bath. So to follow that up, I added my freshly sliced grapefruit. And this is the good part. It's time to light the candles, turn off the lights, make sure you put on your favorite playlist, grab a glass of wine, and it's time to just relax and vibe out. That bath, I feel so relaxed and like rejuvenated. My skin feels so soft. It feels so silky smooth. Like honestly, that was probably the best bath I've ever taken. Like using all those products definitely helped me take away any like tension or unwanted stress that was within my body. The rose petals just made it so like luxurious. Honestly, I felt so fancy, felt like I was at the spa. So I really enjoyed taking that bath. I mean, obviously, who wouldn't want to take a bath that looked like that? It was so beautiful, I didn't even want to get out. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up so that I know to do more videos like this in the future. Make sure you guys leave me some comments if you do happen to go out and get the same products and use them. Let me know how they were effective for you. Or if you have something that I can add into my own goddess bath routine, drop those comments down below. I really enjoyed spending this time with you guys. Continue to take care of yourselves, and I will see you next time.